So the first reaction was 250 mils of acetic acid. We plated zinc 2 plus onto copper 1 plus. So the first reaction was spontaneous because the reduction potential was positive, but even though it was spontaneous, it was still a slow reaction, so we had to speed it up with the addition of a battery. And we created a system, so to speak, when we did this. So we attached the battery to each metal. Copper was the cathode, so we attached the positive to copper, and zinc was the anode, so we attached the negative to zinc. And the reason why we did this is because we needed to get an electrolyte. And when we had the solution, we wanted the electrolyte based on the metal we wanted to electroplate, so we wanted a zinc-based electrolytic solution. And the way we did that was we placed zinc in acetic acid for hours, which allowed zinc ions to disperse into the acetic acid solution. So we were making copper anodes by adding the positive charge from the battery on it, and the copper is becoming the negative electrode while zinc is becoming the positive electrode. Thus, zinc is being attracted to copper. So that negatively charges the because when we added the electrodes from the battery, that negatively charges the copper and positively charges the zinc. And then finally, the acetic acid is split into two ions, which makes acetic acid and acetate. Sorry, instead of acetic acid and acetate, I meant hydrogen gas and acetate.
Next, we plated silver 1 onto copper 1 plus. We did this first by taking deionized water and then adding solid silver nitrate to make a 0.1 molar solution. We did this because, like the first reactions, you want to make an electrolytic solution of the metal you want to plate. We then attached the negative battery charge onto the silver and the positive battery charge onto the copper. The reaction was then non-spontaneous because the reduction potential became negative. When we put the two metals in the solution, the positive electrodes of the silver became attracted to the negative electrodes of the copper, causing the silver ions in the solution to become attracted to the copper penny. This is why, the reason why the silver plating onto the penny was so loose rather than the zinc reaction was because, unlike the pure copper we used earlier, the penny was not cleaned in the strong enough acid, and it was very impure on the surface. And I think that's it.